PITAKA's matte black packaging immediately conveys a flagship feel, featuring clean typography, a large product image, and the brand's signature minimalist design. The smooth, drawer-style opening adds a touch of luxury, while the neatly presented case and documentation create a refined unboxing experience. The moment the Folio 3 is lifted from the box, its exceptionally slim, lightweight construction stands out, perfectly complementing the elegant profile of the iPad Air. The Folio 3 showcases the premium craftsmanship Pitaka is known for. Its strong magnetic attachment keeps the iPad securely in place, while the precisely engineered folding mechanism provides excellent stability in every viewing position. Despite its slim profile, the case feels sturdy, durable, and exceptionally well made, perfectly matching the premium character of the iPad Air. Pitaka once again delivers an elegant design that complements rather than hides the iPad's premium aesthetics. Wrapped in high-quality PU leather, the Folio 3 feels soft, durable, and comfortable to hold, while its distinctive geometric folding pattern adds both visual appeal and practical functionality by enabling multiple viewing angles. The integrated Apple Pencil holder is discreetly positioned, preserving the Folio's clean profile while supporting magnetic charging, making the entire case feel like a natural extension of the iPad itself. The Folio 3 truly stands out in daily use thanks to its versatile folding design, which offers multiple stable viewing and working angles in both landscape and portrait orientations. Whether you're typing, drawing, reading, or watching content, switching between positions is quick and intuitive, making the iPad Air far more adaptable to every task. The Pitaka Folio 3 is far more than a protective case. It's a thoughtfully engineered companion that enhances the iPad Air experience. Combining premium materials, a slim magnetic design, and an innovative multi-angle folding system, it delivers outstanding versatility without compromising elegance. For iPad Air users, it's easily one of the best folio cases available today.